All right, to prove that I have a theory and that 1,000 years got added to our history, we're going to look at coins and a few like this stone from Boston. Notice the I in front of the 7. Notice the I in the AI. Notice the I in the miles. That I is an I. That wasn't 17. Look at this coin. You see a J 652. They will say that, look in the top left, J6, a mark, and then a 5-2. They're saying that coin is from 652, 19 or 1,652. It is not. This coin here, I don't see a date in it. I just want you to notice the Christian symbolism. It is this one, well, it has a date right in the middle there. I'm on it. This is a seal from the same time. You push them together. It's the one-handed eagle. Most Christian nations had that as a sign. Here, look at the I. They would call that 1803 for that shilling with the royal crown. That is not a 1. That is an I. You can look up an I and a J in Latin were similar, and the definition is in the year of our Lord. This is another one. It doesn't have a date, but it's from around the same time. It has the cross. It has the ring around the outside. All of our coins were like that. This is a Islamic coin, I believe, at the same time. In Roman numerals, it has a cross on the top, and I believe that is a crescent moon with a star. Here you can see 923. Well, we know that's not 1923. That's from the year of our Lord, 923. That's how you read the coins. I've got all kinds of proof. I just have to find the time to put it down like this. You can do your own research. There's no reason. Now you can say, look at the bottom right, this corner, 1861. Well, you can say, well, those ones kind of look the same. And I would tell you, no, they don't. They are not. Look at them. That is not the same one. It is not. It is a different one in a different font. So come on. There's something up. There is something to these proofs. They're being let out now. We're being led to them, and we can see it's different. That's 1861. I'll guarantee you that's different. Not only that, in between this, I'm just studying all the signs of the laurel. Does he have a mustache? This is a war mustache. Is his hair tied with one bow, two bows? They all have meaning. I have a book now from 1812 from London that is describing every meaning. I'll pick out some highlights and put them on there. But we have had at least 1,000 years taken from our history. That is not a 1. That is not a 1. You can see the bottom of the numbers, like on the T on the right, the ABST. Numbers have that on the bottom. Or numbers are there, letters have it on the bottom. Different font. It is a different font. They all mean different things. We're going to be coming. I'm just showing you some examples right now. You're going to be seeing much clearer examples. Another coin, it didn't have the date, but it has what I think are symbols that I recognize from history as a flat earth. They have, all of them have 4 signs, a ring, the 4 cardinal directions, 1 post in the middle. These people knew and tried to tell us. They wrote us out. Here's another one. That's not 1794. That is from the year of our Lord, 794. because that's the way people thought during the golden age of Christ. Everything was in the year of our Lord. So when they saw that, they didn't think, oh, maybe it's a 1. That'll help us fit our history together. The only people that would think that are people that are programmed to believe, no matter what, that our history is true. Another coin from another year, it's still the same. These are, I think, half-ounce gold coins from the Austrian Empire. This one here, no date, but I want you to notice the circular pattern, the front and the back. That's obviously Christ with the lamb. This is his world. On the right, it is definitely flat earth. Okay, 1692? No. 692. That's not a 1. That's King Leopold. And although he looks like a cool dude in that picture, he was a bad man from what I can gather, or a very misunderstood man. This is a $5 note from the Canal Bank. I want you to notice that right around the time I was showing these, 1700s, 1750, there were a number of canal banks. They had very intricate money. Paper money was engraved, and it looks like the same type of engraving machines that we use today. Canals were big. Look at my videos on canal. This one here on the coin on the right, left-hand side, year of our Lord 716. That is not a 1. Do not believe them. They went back. They knew that they were all going to be I's or J's. They said, hey, we can, if we have enough force and if the lie's big enough and if we tell it often enough, we can say that is not an I, that is not a J, that's a 1. These are coins that they all feature Jesus. Okay, 1910, where we're getting close. This is back to the same thing, the Austrian half-ounce gold, 1910. That looks like a 1. Getting ready to go into World War I, which was the end of the Christian Golden Age. There we have the date on the left-hand side, in the middle of the coin, year of our Lord, 555. You're seeing it now, folks. I know you are. You can see the bottom right corner, there's an I in the lettering there. That's the same letter. That's an I. It's a little bit different coin, a little bit more cleaned up. Look at the I. I believe that this is from the year 55. They had the same coin. Very possible. Year of our Lord, 1795, with an A in it, for Anno Domini. Anno Domini, died. Year of our Lord, 795. Year of our Lord. There's the eagle. That was a Christian king. Coins I want to show you, they came from Croatia. That's the front and the back of the same coin. That's the front and back of the same coin. Notice how somehow they punched them just to make sure they were real or to prove they were real. Somehow I think that if you punched it and it wasn't pure enough, it was disfigured. That's the date, 1919 or 1910. Another example from another Corona that it was over. They were all writing it as the same. Everybody believed then it was the same. Year of our Lord, 766 with an A in the middle. Do you see that? Bottom right coin, year of our Lord. That's a J. Of our Lord, 623. It took 1,000 years from us, people. You don't have to like it. You don't have to accept that right now. The left side coin, year of our Lord, 623. Right side, year of our Lord, 623. You just have to admit there is a man that has some proof that he's learned from other people, Dr. Fomenko, that They've changed our history. Why? To cover up the fact that we had 1,000-year reign of Christ on earth already, the year of our Lord. 7 centuries after his death, the 78th year. The eagle with the crown, Christ our King. Year of our Lord, 7th century after his death, 81st year, or 8th year of our Lord. See, those are two I's. That could very well mean 7th century, 8th year, 7th century, 8th decade. That's a JI, written in Latin, symbolic, year of our Lord. You guys got to be getting it by now. That's not a 1. But they will look you in the face. Every Catholic can tell you that's a 1 because the Pope said it is. And I will believe the Pope. Right hand side, the back of the coin, the year of our Lord, 769. The year of our Lord, 769. They would tell you that is 1769. And they'll prove it. Back to the Boston Stone. Boston history is minus 1,000 years. It's right there. Look at the eyes. That's Latin. AI underneath it.